Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download BlueStacks 5 for your low-end PC for using and getting the best emulator for your computer. Simply open your browser and then come over into the search option and type here BlueStacks 5. Just simply search for BlueStacks 5 because BlueStacks 5 is very efficient for low-end devices or low-end computer. So for that, I'm going to click on BlueStacks 5 over here. And then here you're going to get the option called download BlueStacks 5. Click on it. And then here you'll get this or download option called download BlueStacks. You can simply need to see all the version over here. So if you're using for Windows, you can simply go for the Hyper-V Node 64-bit. Or here is for the BlueStacks 5. So I'm going to download it for 64-bit because my computer is 64-bit. If your computer has 32-bit, you can simply go for the Node 32-bit. But here I'm going to go for the Android 64-bit. So if you click on the download option, there will be a download bar. Click on the download. And the setup is downloaded in our computer. If you click on it, here is a download. So if you just click on it 2 times and if you just refresh into the background or minimize the background, and here we're going to get the download option. So here, if you want to change the file location, like I'm going to change the file location into, change the folder, I'm going to set it into my another drive, click OK. And now I'm going to simply click on install now. And now it's downloading. So it will take maybe 5 or 6 minutes. For that, you need to keep patience. And now as you can see, the download and installation is completed and now our BlueStacks is loading. So here is a catch that if you're interested about my custom cursor, then I made a dedicated video how you can simply do it. The video recommendation will be into the last. So now here with the BlueStacks app player is rightly open in your computer. And now from here, I can simply log in into Play Store. So if I click on the Play Store and here you need to sign in your Google account. So after logging into your Google Play Store, there will be loading. And then if you just don't turn on and the Google services will be loading. And from here, you need to accept the terms and the conditions. And now here you can see that we are rightly open our Play Store in our computer. And now here our Google Play Store is rightly open. And this is how we can simply download and install BlueStacks in your computer for the low-end PCs. So thank you so much for watching. So if you want to know tips and tricks how you can simply use BlueStacks in your computer, then you can simply comment below. I can help you and make some videos, tips and tricks for BlueStacks. Thank you so much again. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.